I really like that Gengar, and it's freaking huge. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. I am so excited, but if you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallow, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Sanrio, Loungefly, basically anything and everything that I consider to be cute. Today I am talking about the Pokemon Squishmallow that recently launched. I have the box right here. I'm going to open it on camera. That's why I have a box cutter in my hands. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps my channel out. Here's the box. I ordered this while I was at work. For some reason, I just happened to take a break. I sat down for 5 seconds. I was on Instagram and I saw that Squish Alert posted about this. I don't sign up for their notifications. Like, they have a whole app that helps you, you know, with your Squishmallow needs. But I didn't have that activated because it sends so many duplicate notifications sometimes for me that it was just never worth it. So I got really lucky that I happened to be on I just got lucky that I happened to be on my phone at the time. Sorry, it's cloudy. It's kind of, the sun is coming in and out, but I'm so excited. So I did order them, and oops. Okay, this is the free ornament. We're going to talk about that in a second. I'm going to put that off to the side, but you can see right away that Pikachu is poking out. I did get both of them. I'm honestly surprised they both fit in this. These are 12 inches, I believe. So yay! So exciting. Alright, let's just start off with Pikachu since it's right on top. So here's what it looks like. Super cute. I kind of took a break recently from collecting Squishmallow, and I've been moving more towards Build-A-Bears and Squishables. So I will have playlists linked in the cards as well as down below if you want to see what else I've been up to. But look at this. Oh my goodness. So soft, so cute. I'm really excited about them expanding this line further. I know they've mentioned Togepi and a couple of others, but I want more. I want a lot more. I want more water Pokemon. Like, I'm so excited. But absolutely adorable. Bright colors, very vivid, very soft, very squishy. I like the tail. It is attached. I really like it. So if you look at the tag, it does say Pokemon Center on it, Pikachu, and then when you open it, it just says Pikachu on it. Super cool. And then behind Pikachu, you also have just this little patch right there, which I think is really cute. I don't know, like, I find the hands kind of creepy, but I know it's done intentionally. I guess it's necessary to make it as accurate as possible given the shape that all Squishmallows tend to follow. I do also have the Pikachus from Build-A-Bear, their recent 75th anniversary. Those are absolutely adorable. They come with varsity jackets, so those are alternatives in case Squishmallows are not your thing. I think price-wise this is a little bit cheaper. This was $29.99 and it's sold out so quickly, but I know it's going to come back to Target and a couple other places. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if they did another restock on the website too. Like, you just really never know. Some things are really exclusive and stuff like that, and there becomes like this scarcity and people like reselling and stuff, but sometimes things come back eventually. Not always with Squishmallow though, but very cute, exciting. I love it. I want to just have it on my bed because it is quite soft and bouncy. Alrighty, we have Gengar now. Again, I do have the Build-A-Bear version of it, which is honestly really nice. That is one of the few Pokemon that Build-A-Bear sells that I'm just like, that's worth the money. That's worth that bundled price of like $55 to $60. It's been on sale recently because of the holidays. But I really like that Gengar, and it's freaking huge. This one is 12 inches once again. Let's see how it looks. I love it. Let me just give it some fluff back because it's been in the box and in the plastic for a while. But look at that. I love it. It looks creepy, but it's very cool. Bright eyes, bright smile. You can see the detailing in the back. It has the cool tail, and I am impressed. It's so soft. I don't know which one I like more. I really do love Gengar, obviously. That's why I have the Build-A-Bear version too. But I kind of like Pikachu a little bit more this time around. Let me see. Alright, so here's a look at the tag. Once again, it just shows the Pokeball, Pokemon Center, Gengar, inside, Pokeball, and then in the back it has just that Pokeball little patch right there. Super cool. Again, $29.99, 12 inches. Really cute. All right, so I'm super excited. Now that we got that out of the way, we can look at the ornament just to see what it looks like in person. So this was a free little gift with purchase. Comes in this little envelope. So we're going to pop it open. I think it's like a little wooden ornament. Cute. I'm actually putting up my Christmas tree later tonight, so I'll be able to hang this up on that. Alrighty. It's cute. Not bad for a free gift. And on Pokemon Center's website, they do have a lot of different ornament options, and I'm kind of tempted to buy one. So this is the Winter Wonders snow ornament. I'm putting my hand against it because I feel like you can see it better. It has fine little glittery parts, but when I look at it quickly, from like a quick glance, it kind of looks like it's just dusty. But it's not. It's just meant to look like that. Alright, so overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm excited to see these hit stores and, like I said, online, because it is a bummer when you really want something and it sells out so quickly. It literally sold out within 5 minutes because as I was making that purchase and running to go tell my friend, it had already sold out. And the website was glitchy from the beginning, which is to be expected when you have that many people on a website, I'm sure, trying to order them all at the same time. So I feel like that's definitely a bummer. And also just the random time that it was released. And I thought it was going to release at the same time as the video game, and it didn't end up happening. It was a couple days later. But let me know how you feel about these. Do you think they're cool? Do you think it's just a money grab? Like, let me know your thoughts. Share them down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I do think it's a money grab, but I'm not mad about it, especially if they come out with like some other Pokemon. Like, I would love it because Build-A-Bear takes forever to like expand their line. I know they just announced the Sylveon. Or like there's a leaked picture or something, which is super exciting, but it takes forever. So I would love to have more cute Pokemon stuffed animals because they're so fun. And Squishmallows are so soft. They're so huggable. And I think I'm going to keep these on my bed, which is saying something because I usually don't keep any Squish on because I feel like I don't really enjoy them on the bed, I'm not gonna lie. So if you made it to the very end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you supporting my channel through all of these changes that we've like been through together. I will have more videos coming soon. We are in the midst of not really Vlogmas. I'm not really doing that on this channel this year because I'm working 40 hours a week, if not more, with the holiday season approaching so quickly. But I do intend on uploading at least 3 times a week. If you're interested in that stuff, definitely subscribe and stay tuned. Stay safe out there. Hope you're doing well, and until next time, bye.